Let's now talk a little bit about dogs. Now, while ordinary central Kenya farmers keep livestock such as cows, goats and sheep, one man in Nyeri has gone the canine way. John Kamau breeds high-grade dogs that he then sells for a tidy profit. And as Carol Nderi reports, one dog can easily go for as much as 300,000 shillings.
Now, if you move any closer to this ferocious dog, be warned that it will be at your own risk. This is a hybrid dog born to an African Mastiff species mother and a Corso Prescanirio mother. Well, if you're a little lost, these are hybrid quality dogs. At John Kagombe's compound in Nyeri, dogs abound, barking vicious dogs that have been highly trained. While his fellow villagers keep cows, goats, sheep, chicken and the like, Kagombe chose a less traveled path, breeding dogs, a venture that he has stuck to for the last 25 years.
The idea, I got it when I was in Mombasa. I used to see the white men with dogs, so I got interested.
This is what puts food on his table. To get the picture more closely, have a look at this particular dog. It is an African Mastiff Bobel, originates from South Africa. It goes for a whopping 300,000 shillings. This one is 2.5 years old. And Nina here is a German Shepherd. She would, on a good day for Kagombe, fetch around 80,000 to 100,000 shillings.
For example, the young ones you see here, they go for about 50,000 Kenya shillings. The German Shepherd I sell at 30,000. And it is expensive.
Those are puppies?
Those are puppies. But the big ones can go for more than 100,000 to 300,000, depending on the buyer and the quality of the dog.
It has not been an easy journey, he confesses. The dogs are expensive to maintain. The feeding has to be top-notch since they are hybrid dogs and they have to be handled with care, special cleaning and deworming. But apart from that, he has had close brushes with the most ferocious of his dogs and he bears bite marks as testimony.
Those one we call them accidental biting. They normally happen from time to time, but you have to be very careful when dealing with them.
His 3 children are also seemingly fearless. As soon as they were born, their first playmates were puppies.
As time went by, I grew up. Nikizizoea.
Kagombe recently returned from South Sudan, where he had been hired for a dog training mission.
Kuwa ni serikali ya Sudan. Sitataja ni akina nani sababu ya vile kuko sahihi. Lakini walikuwa wanakuja mpaka hapa na wanachukua umbwa tunaenda nazo. Na walikuwa wamenipatia kazi kubwa sana, lakini vita ikaanza. So mimi nikarudi upande hii. Na walikuwa wananunua umbwa vizuri.
Kazi ni kazi, he proudly says.
Mbwa mimi ndio huwa natumia, nalipa school fees, maisha yangu. Huyu kijana wangu amemaliza university. Huyu mwingine naye anaenda form 1 na yote inatokana na umbwa. Hata kama sina school fees wakati hiyo walimu wanajua huyu atauza umbwa wakati fulani ataleta pesa, huwa hawafukuzwi.
Now, it's a little scary, of course. Her name is Viga. Okay, I think that's it. Her name is Viga. Your guess is as good as mine why her name is Viga. Kagombe tells us that she would fetch about 150,000 to 200,000. Of course, that's good money. It looks like dog breeding is a lucrative venture. But you'd have to have the guts to do this. Carol Nderi, KTN News, Nyeri.